In this video, I will share one super easy face mask that will help you to fade dark spots on your face. Pack requires very little effort, at the same time it is safe and effective for all skin types. To make this face pack, you will need 1 medium-sized raw potato juice. In this juice add few drops of lemon. Now in this add enough rice flour until you get smooth paste. Mix it well, and your pack is ready. Apply this pack all over your clean face and neck. Leave for 15 minutes, and then rinse your face with cold water. Pat it dry, and tap a layer of rose water. For best results, use this pack on daily basis for 3 to 4 days, and after that you can use it twice a week.